Hi, this is Lincoln Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2011 Suzuki Swift stock number 7247. It's ran from the 8th 2010 to the 9th 2013. Here's a K14B 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a K14B 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, front bonnet, left front door no dents, left rear door 1 dent, left rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, left hand tail light, right rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,